Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Milow Cellulite Massager. You should buy this product or not. What are the major red flags? Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you this massager is not available on Amazon.com right now, and you can see over here this is the store millowstore.com. And we talk about you should buy this product on this store or not. Okay, so the thing is, in today's time there are lots of websites available on internet who are selling same product. This is the same product, endorsed anti-celluloid device or massager, and you can see over here there is a, you can say endorsed cellulite massager, and there is one more website endorsed, and there is anti-celluloid massager pure health, and there is one more website like Vanelli, and you can say anti-cellular device. Okay, and there is one more website like Levery anti-cellular device. Okay, so basic thing is I want to tell you you should not buy this product. This is not looking like a worthy product, and you can see the ratings is very bad. They have only very bad ratings. Okay, and if we talk about on Amazon.uk, you can see the rating is only 1-star rating. Okay, so it means the product is not worthy at all, and it will not give you any kind of benefits. And if we talk about the you can say on a store like Milow Cellulite Massager, Milow is a very newly launched store, and this is a totally drop shipping store. And when you purchase product, there is no guarantee you will get benefits or not. And after purchasing product, there is a very big concern you will get your money back if product is not working. So the basic thing I want to tell you you should avoid product purchase, otherwise you are going to face lots of issues related to money and related to product. Okay, because they have not provided any kind of customer support also, and they have not provided any kind of return and refund for, you can say purchase of any product. Okay, so please share your thoughts if you have any experience, otherwise you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.